This is the AI News Flash for April 26th, 9 p.m. UTC. First up, Apple's transition from Tim Cook to incoming CEO John Ternus is now in full swing, with Cook set to formally step down in September after 15 years at the helm. Apple announced the move on April 20th. Cook will remain as executive chairman. A TechCrunch retrospective today flagged Apple's AI strategy gap as Ternus's biggest challenge. Apple has shelved frontier model development in-house and increasingly relies on Google Gemini and Anthropic Claude, making proprietary AI capability building urgent. With over $45 billion in cash, large AI acquisitions or expanded partnerships are expected to define the next era of Apple leadership. Second story. NVIDIA-powered LLM agents generated more than 600,000 lines of code in March and took first place in a Kaggle machine learning competition. The winning solution was a 4-level stack of 150 models, built across 850 experiments, marking a leap in automated ML. The workflow combined GPT 5.4 Pro, Gemini 3.1 Pro, and Claude Opus 4.6 in a human-in-the-loop system with NVIDIA QDEF, QML, XGBoost, and PyTorch driving GPU acceleration. Coding and execution speed, traditionally the bottleneck of ML iteration, has been dramatically compressed by LLM agent-driven workflows. Third story, memory maker Sandisk surged 6.16% today to $989, pushing its market cap to $146 billion. A $10,000 investment at the start of 2026 would now be worth nearly $40,000, making Sandisk one of the year's biggest AI winners. With memory supply tight for AI chips, companies are increasingly using Sandisk SSDs as a fallback, driving 61% year-over-year revenue growth and a 404% jump in diluted EPS last quarter. Inclusion in the NASDAQ 100 adds index demand tailwinds, but a forward PE of 20.5 times has analysts cautioning that the memory cycle may be near its peak. Fourth story, American engineer Matt Cortland built an AI voice agent named Rachel that called more than 3,000 pubs across all 32 Irish counties to survey Guinness prices. The backend uses 11 labs for conversational AI, Twilio for telephony, and Google Maps API to index 5,200 pubs. Calls were routed through a genuine Irish SIM card to give Rachel a local accent and natural rapport. The St. Patrick's weekend operation cost just €200, inspired by being charged 7.8 euros for a pint. The personal project became a striking real-world demo of consumer voice AI. That's all for this AI News Flash.